Hi everyone, this is Nathan O'Mara with O'Mara Gardens. Today we're going to show you tips for sowing vegetable seeds. Once you have chosen your favorite crops and know when to plant in your local climate, lay out your planting area in rows or in a hexagonal planting scheme. Adjust your layout based on the spacing needs for each crop. This information can be found on seed packets or by visualizing the mature plant's growth. Next, select individual seeds to plant by looking for the ones that are plump and full-sized, not thin, holey, or shriveled. Now, make small holes or depressions in the soil at the correct seed depth for the crop. Again, this information can be found on the seed packet. Gently place the seed in the hole and lightly cover with soil as you go. Once you have all your seeds planted, grade the soil to create a level surface so that water will soak in evenly. Hand water the area after planting with a gentle spray, making sure not to wash your seeds away. On average, seedlings should emerge in 7 to 14 days. Thanks for watching. For more plant inspiration, be sure to check out omaragardens.com. Happy gardening!